Watching a bowl of water turn a muddy, murky brown while your grapes soak inside feels like you're finally seeing the hidden poisons of the modern world being dragged into the light. It is satisfying. It is gross. It makes you feel like a genius for buying that little white gadget you saw on your social media feed. This device, the PurePod, claims to use titanium electrodes and electrolysis to create hydroxyl radicals. These are supposed to scrub away pesticides, wax, and bacteria. It sounds like high-level food science. Technically, the category is real. Peer-reviewed research actually exists on this kind of water treatment. But there is a massive gap between real science and a viral marketing campaign. These ads are designed to separate you from your cash. Let's talk about that brown water first. If you put that device in a bowl of plain tap water with absolutely no fruit in it, the water still turns brown. It isn't pulling gunk out of thin air. It is just oxidizing the iron and minerals already present in your pipes. The visual proof is just a trick. It is a basic chemistry reaction. It has nothing to do with how clean your apples are. You are essentially paying to watch rust form in real time. Then there's the brand itself, or the lack thereof. If you look at the fine print on their site, you realize PurePod isn't a dedicated kitchen company. It is run by a lead generation firm. When you try to buy one, you get bounced to a third-party affiliate site. That site admits it is just an advertisement. This same device is all over the internet. It has the same waterproof rating. It uses the same internal battery. You can find it under a dozen different names. You can find the exact same hardware for $30 on major retail sites. Meanwhile, the viral ads try to charge you a premium for a fancy name and a sleek video. But here is the real kicker that most people miss. They are too busy staring at their muddy fruit bowls. The experts at the Food and Drug Administration and the CDC have a much cheaper solution. They have found that simply holding your produce under a running faucet is more effective than any soaking method. One study showed that running tap water removes about 77% of pesticide residue. Meanwhile, soaking your food only removes about 51%. That is exactly what this gadget requires you to do. By using this device, you are actually doing a worse job. You would be better off using your hands and a stream of water. The technology behind it might be interesting in an industrial setting, but for your kitchen counter, it is a solution looking for a problem. Your sink has already solved it. It is a generic product wearing a very expensive marketing costume. If you love the gadgetry and the aesthetic, go ahead and buy the cheap version from a big retailer. But if you actually want the cleanest strawberries possible, just turn on the tap. Save your money for the actual groceries. It is a classic case of a viral trend. It makes us doubt the simple tools we already have. We want the magic bullet. But usually, the boring way is the better way. You don't need a titanium electrode to have a healthy salad. You just need a bit of gravity and some cold water from the tap. It is funny how the most effective tools in our homes are often the ones we take for granted. We ignore them until a clever ad tries to sell us an expensive replacement.